Education is growth. Education is not a preparation for life, but is life itself. Hello, I am Vibha Sudhir Tiwari, your career coach. Let us start today's presentation with a big smile. My topic for today's presentation is Commerce courses after 12th. Commerce is a vast field. You will get to explore a variety of areas based on the courses you select, like finance, accounting, law, taxation, auditing, management, insurance, investment banking, and many more. All these courses can be classified into three categories as degree courses, professional courses, and certificate courses. Degree courses available for commerce students are Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Economics, Bachelor of Statistics, Bachelor of Finance and Accounting, BSc in Applied Mathematics. Let us start with BCom. This is the first professional course that comes to your mind while talking about a commerce stream. BCom stands for Bachelor of Commerce. This is the general degree that spans over a period of 3 years that you can pursue after completing your 12th commerce. This is the most common and the simplest career choice for commerce students. Having a normal BCom degree proves quite handy even if you are pursuing any of the professional courses. Today, there exist numerous BCom specialization programs which focus on a particular field or domain such as BCom in IT, BCom with computer science, etc. Second option is Bachelor's course in Economics. This is yet another option for commerce students to pursue after their higher secondary education. If you are interested in economics, this course will be of help to you. You will get to experience practical knowledge on various economic concepts, economic policies, analytical methods, and programs. There are a variety of opportunities in this field, including working as an economist, statistician, strategist, risk management analyst, operation research analyst, insurance underwriter, budget analyst, etc. Further, if you want to prepare for Indian Administrative Service or IAS, having an economic background shall be an added advantage for you. Next available degree course is Bachelor of Statistics. If you like playing with numbers, probability and equations, this course will be of help to you. Statistics is a field involved in the interpretation, analysis and representation of numerical data. In some cases, statistics is bundled with relevant fields such as computer science and mathematics, forming a combination course. This is a challenging yet rewarding career with flexibility of work opportunities and possibilities to work across various sectors: market research, investment analysis, research analysis, risk analysis, etc. Our other option is Bachelor of Finance and Accounting. This is a 3-year program. The degree in Finance and Accounting aims to train professionals who are going to pursue careers in areas of investment analysis and management, banking, auditing, consulting, and financial management. Next comes BSc in Applied Maths. Bachelor of Science in Applied Mathematics is an undergraduate level degree program which is of 3 years. Students passed in 10+2 are eligible for this course and commerce students are equally eligible. This course develops an understanding of analytical skills and purposeful competencies in mathematics. It is a course which deals with the understanding of basic applications of mathematical techniques which are applied to general principles outside the scope of theoretical mathematics. The major employment sectors after this course include the educational sector, banking and finance industry, commerce industry, statistical and accountancy job, etc. There are many more options available for commerce students, such as they can go for management courses, integrated law courses, computer application courses, journalism and mass communication courses. Let us start with management courses. MBA is the most valued and popular management course in India. If you want to pursue a good management program after 12th, there are some good undergraduate level management courses available in India. They are BBA, that is Bachelor of Business Administration. This is a 3-year business administration course helping to build a base in core business disciplines. You get to explore different functional areas of a business environment. Second is BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies, another undergraduate program designed to prepare students in the field of management. This is a 3-year course that provides theoretical and practical training, which helps to inculcate leadership and managerial skills. You can also opt for BHM, that is Bachelor of Hotel Management. Integrated BBA plus MBA programs of 5-year duration are also available. Next option is integrated law courses. LLB is the most popular law course in India. It is a postgraduate level course. It means that you must have completed a bachelor's degree course in order to be considered eligible to pursue LLB course. But if you want to pursue law right after 12, you can take the admission in 5-year integrated programs after the completion of your 12th standard exams. Integrated undergraduate degree provided are BA plus LLB, BSc plus LLB, BBA plus LLB and also BCom plus LLB. With the rapid growth of IT industry in India, the demand of computer professionals is increasing day by day. Commerce students who want to make their career in the IT or information technology field may opt for the computer application courses such as Bachelor of Computer Application, that is BCA, Certificate in Computer Application, that is CCA, and Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Application, that is PGDCA. Commerce students can also go for journalism and mass communication. They can go for BMM or BGMC. BMM is Bachelor in Mass Communication. BMM teaches students all the technical skills required to be successful in the field of media. The course also imparts other skills such as research aptitude and verbal as well as presentation skills to the candidate. BJMC is Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. Candidates who successfully complete BJMC can choose to work for news channels, newspapers, publishing houses, television, radio, internet, etc. and can earn a healthy remuneration. Next, coming to the professional courses, commerce students can go for Chartered Accountancy or CA. They can go for Company Secretaryship or CS. They can also go for CMA or Cost Management Accountant. Let us start with Chartered Accountancy or CA. This is the best professional course for building a successful career in commerce. CA is a training course. This professional course is provided by the Institute of Chartered Accountants in India or ICAI. There are no proper colleges offering this course. Self-learning is enough to become a CA. In order to become a CA in India, you must pass a series of tests designed and conducted by the governing body. You need to do foundation, intermediate and final levels. Becoming a chartered accountant opened the various doors to exciting career opportunities in diversified sectors. You can act as a tax consultant, an auditor, an advisor, a financial officer and so on. Next is Company Secretaryship course. Like CA training, CS training also can't be compared with any traditional degree course. This is another professional course that is opted by students after 12th commerce. This course is provided by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. A company secretary is basically responsible for all the regulatory compliance of the company and acts as an in-house legal expert. The CS course consists of 3 programs: Foundation Program, Executive Program and Professional Program. 10+2 passed students are eligible to pursue Foundation Program. After doing CS, you have an option to practice independently or look in for a job in the corporate world. Next course is CMA, which stands for Cost Management Accounting. Previously it was known as ICWA, but at present this course has been renamed to CMA. This course comprises of 3 stages, that is CMA Foundation, CMA Intermediate and CMA Final. You can pursue this course through correspondence or through online from an accredited university. You can apply for CA course after passing 12th, while for the ICWA Foundation course or CMA, you have to pass a 10th or equivalent exam from any recognized board. This course provides you an in-depth knowledge to manage business within the available resources. As a cost accountant, you have to collect and analyze the financial information from all the areas of a company. Coming to the certificate course, you can also pursue additional certification in finance to boost your skill set, such as CFA, that is Chartered Financial Analyst, CFP, Certified Financial Planner, FRM, Financial Risk Manager, etc. CFA is a globally recognized professional designation given by CFA Institute that ensures and certifies the competence and integrity of financial analysts, whereas FRM is the certification for risk managers. It is awarded to professionals who demonstrate the knowledge and ability to anticipate, respond, and adapt to critical risk issues. If you are interested in building a career in areas of personal finance, wealth management, insurance planning, mutual fund investing, etc., then CFP or Certified Financial Planner certification might be a great fit for you. So, if you want to enter the financial planning world, then you need to get this certification. Financial Planning Standard Board of India or FPSB is the principal licensing body that grants CFP license. Coming to the other courses, if you are passionate about teaching, if you want to become a teacher, then teaching courses will be of help to you. Some teaching courses are PG level programs. On the other hand, some teacher training courses are undergraduate level programs. Here are some notable teacher training courses which you may pursue after completing 12th. You can go for Bachelor in Elementary Education, that is BLEd. You can opt for Integrated B.Ed program. You can go for Diploma in Elementary Education, Bachelor of Physical Education, Diploma in Education, Diploma in Nursery Teacher Training program, or Junior Basic Training. You can also join Junior Basic Training course. Next comes Actuarial Science. Actuarial Science is a field dealing with the analysis of risk across various fields such as insurance, business, finance, and healthcare. Professionals in this field are called actuaries. They employ mathematical equations, statistics, and financial theories to determine risk and uncertainty associated with various future events that can impact business. 10 plus 2 passed students are eligible to become a student member of IAI, that is Institute of Actuaries of India. To do so, they must crack the Actuarial Common Entrance Exam ACET. After clearing entrance exam, a student can register at the Institute of Actuaries of India. There are 15 exams in total conducted by the IAI. However, you can start working as an actuary after clearing only 4-5 exams. Apart from the above mentioned professional courses, commerce students are also eligible to pursue professional courses belonging to other stream, that is arts and science. They can go for BA, BSc in relevant courses like hospitality management, photography, animation, etc., Bachelor of Social Work, Bachelor of Event Management, Fashion Design, Mass Communication and Journalism, Animation and Multimedia, Performing Arts. They can also go for language courses which are very promising. They can go for Diploma in Retail Management, Diploma in Education Technology, Diploma in Hotel Management, Air Hostess Cabin Crew Training courses, Diploma in Event Management, Diploma in Filmmaking and Video Editing, A&M Nursing courses, GNM Nursing courses, and many more. At last, I would like to add that a professional course that a student chooses will determine his/her career path. So, if you want to build a rewarding career, you must choose your professional course very carefully. I usually suggest my students to take the help of psychometric test, personality test, and aptitude test before selecting a particular course. These tests will help a student gauge his/her abilities, weakness, and general aptitude. The outcome of these tests can be used to find a career and thus a professional course ideal for you. I hope you understand the importance of this step. If you have any difficulty in choosing your course, you may please contact Smile Career Consultant. Smile is a platform to help students choose the right career path. It helps in all the major milestones in one's career. Smile uses technology-led tools for career assessment. It assesses your orientation style, interest areas, personality traits, aptitude, emotional quotient. Based on the generated report, our career coaches help you to systematically explore various career options available for you and guide you with a career plan to manage your career and take advantage of changes in the economy and job market. Let us update yourself and be in win-win situation. Be a part in deciding your safe and bright future. Join Smile, a real reason to smile. I think that is sufficient for today. Thanks a lot. For any queries, you can find me at the given mobile number. You can send me mail or you can also check in my website. For more career related videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, Smile My Career Counselor. Thank you very much.